Is calligraphy a word? I don't know. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mackenzie and today I am talking about all things calligraphy. I know a lot of people have had questions about how to do calligraphy. Maybe you don't even know what it is, and kind of give you a tutorial? Would that be the correct term? I am going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First things first, I bought these chalkboard easels a while ago at Target for $3. And this is what I plan on using for our dessert table. We have a few different cupcake flavors and a few different donut flavors. So the easels look like this. This is a pretty small one. If you are just starting with calligraphy and you're just learning how to do it, I would recommend getting a piece of paper, trying your hand at it, seeing how it goes, and then once you kind of get the basics down, then maybe try something out with a little do-it-yourself project. A lot of the signs that I have made for our wedding are in my own handwriting and in the... Oh my God. I'm not like a creative person where I can freehand something just out of my mind, but if I see something, I can try to replicate it. Maybe I just want to write almond on it for almond flavored cupcakes. But you get a chalkboard marker, shake it up real good, get all the juices flowing. You try it out. Maybe I just try it on my hand. If you just push on your hand, Giannis, go on. Go. Oh, wait. Quarantine with dogs. Sit. Go get a bone or something. I don't know. If this is what it's like to quarantine with kids, but worse, like quarantine with kids is probably a lot worse, I'm so sorry.
So I'm just going to start off by writing the word almond in cursive on my chalkboard and making sure that some of the lines are just a little bit longer than the others to give it that calligraphy look.
So I just wrote on this and it just says almond.
So here I'm just going to go back down the lines and make the lines that go down thicker. So because I'm right-handed, you couldn't see anything that I was doing, so I'm still making the lines that go down thicker.
So at the end of that, once you have finished, should look something like this. The next sign I'm going to make is for the red velvet cupcakes.
Because the chalkboard is pretty small and red velvet is obviously 2 words, I'm going to start out by writing red in just tall, skinny letters. And then velvet is where I will do the calligraphy look. So here I am just writing velvet in cursive. I wrote it out before and I didn't like how it looked. It was too far on one side, so I erased it and wrote it out again, just to make sure that it was even on my board. And then just how I did it on almond, you want to go back down the lines that go down and just make them a little bit thicker.
So the sign that I had just finished and tried to show you, but it didn't really work because it is a mirror. Oh, without further ado, here it is. If you want to see more content like this, whether it's like wedding signs or just do-it-yourself signs, anything like that that you want to see, let me know and I would be happy to try it out for you and show you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy, and until next time, I will see you next week. Show you what our blah, 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 blah. To make the blah, blah, blah. I'm going to take my handy dandy Windex, spray it, and hopefully wipe it off. It's not working. Sorry.